So today is the 18th of August 2025, a Monday on the EurUsd. So on the higher time frame, we start the session identifying price on the weekly level of supply, seeing that strong bullish action towards the downside. After mitigating the low, we had a strong push up, showing us we're actually trending towards the upside at this level of supply. Going down to the 1 hour, making us identify the active mitigation that's in control at the moment, seeing the strong initiation towards the upside, but the price clearly slowed down at the top of Asia. Thursday's Asia high, as well as Friday's New York high, seeing relatively equal highs. Price actually gave us a reaction towards the downside, creating an internal narrative for possibly selling. Waiting for confirmation on the internal structure, we got that clear breakup structure over here at the bottom, liquidating Asia low. On the lower time frame, we waited for our setup to show its hand, but we took a fairly impulsive entry, rather impatient entry. This first entry, we had a low, a high, and a lower high, a high and low. However, price hasn't seen that breakup structure, yet I marked this off as a breakup structure because of the candle low that was liquidated. That was our main mistake for today. However, after printing this low and high, we got a new low, a further high, and then therefore our breakup structure. The moment we saw that breakup structure, we marked our low and high POI that broke our liquidity left and saw breakup structure towards the downside, and we waited for that mitigation towards back into price. However, I took a entry over here rather than waiting for that retap due to this bullish candle print over here, seeing a reaction away from tapping into this small imbalance. But I kept the safe stop loss, targeting 2R, and our TP got absolutely hit. Besides that overall setup, I actually would like to have seen saw price react bullish from this area of demand after liquidating the SMT, but price clearly had other plans, continuing that bearish trend towards the downside in New York. Definitely a very high probability setup. Why do I say this? Clear mitigation that has taken liquidity to the left and saw that continuation of structure coming into the actual POI. We had a beautiful trend and strong inflection, strong imbalance in price towards the upside before price initiation back down. But once again, price hasn't broken that low as of yet, creating a new internal weak high and a lower low. After liquidating this low, showing confirmation that price doesn't really want to see continuation towards the downside. The moment of entry would have been exactly over here. Why? I want to enter after price actually manipulates to see a sell side continuation. And this would be a fairly refined entry, easily targeting this low based on this overall narrative of accumulation and tension towards the downside. Our main takeaway for the day is to be patient. All glory to God. And if you're watching this, I hope you have a blessed day and find educational. Thank you.